Good afternoon, student. Today I will to start programming C language. As you know very well, we have taught the in a previous lecture variable, data types, and operator. Let us now we start decision control structure. In before decision control structure, we have about the syntax of a programming C language. That is the syntax of a programming C language are header file. How to declare the header file? First we have to write hash symbol, then include, and then stdio.h. Next one is that hash include conio.h. After that we take word main function. It is the main function of the programming in C, and then start the braces of the main function. This is the braces of a main function, and in the main function we declare the variable and the variables, and the printf, scanf, task, commands or bodies, and then get ch, and the close the brackets. That is all are the syntax of a programming C language in which we have to make programs. Now we have a start decision control structure. Decision control structure in decision control structure we have to learn about if structure, if condition, nested if condition, switch case, conditional operators are used in that the decision control structure. We are making a program with the help of if condition, with the help of if else condition, nested if else condition are using, and the switch cases are using, conditional operators are using. All are the decision control structure. We take one by one. If we are knowing about the if else condition apply into the program, that is the if else statements. It is a control structure statement. It is a control structure statement for decision. The syntax of if else condition, when we apply the if else condition into the C program, the syntax of if else conditions are given. That is the if braces and then the condition, close the braces, and then the braces are starting the braces, and close the braces of the if loop, and then else, we are putting the body of else condition. That is overall the syntax of if else condition. Okay, thus we are used as a if condition, nested if else condition. It is the nesting if else condition. It is the syntax of nested if else condition. We are declared the if else condition into the if condition. It work as a nesting if-else condition. जैसे कि आप यहाँ देखिए कि एक if कंडीशन के अंदर दूसरी if else कंडीशन दी हुई है, तो इस प्रकार के जो है सिंटेक्स को हम नेस्टिंग if else कंडीशन में यूज करते हैं. It follows various steps when control reaches if statement's condition is evaluated. If condition A is a true, set of instruction inside if block is executed, the condition B is evaluated. If condition B is true, action A is executed. If condition B is a false, action B is executed. If condition is false, else block A is executed. In the syntax, if condition A are applied, if condition B are applied inside the section B, section A, if condition B are applied inside the section A, if action A is a true, then it follows the condition of if block B, otherwise it follows the condition of block action B. If both are not applied, A and B, else action C's are follow the conditions. It work as a nesting if else conditions. Okay. We are understanding if else condition, nesting if else condition by the programs. Let us take a program for if else conditions. If we have to find out the number of even and even number is even or odd, to find the number of number is even or odd, then we are applied if else condition. Let us see here. Then we are using a header files, void main function, and we have to declare the variable n as an integer, and we assign the value of n is 2 semicolon, and we then print the number, printf, enter the number, close the bracket, semicolon, scanf, %d and n, then apply the condition of if n percentile 2 is double equal to 0, then print f %d is an even number, else printf %d is odd number. That is the program to find the number is an even or odd number. Thanking you.